So hey guys, here we are in the Visual Code Studio, and today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a Mad Libs generator. This is not the only way you can make. You can manipulate, you can change the codes, you can make anything you want, but this is just a tutorial, so you can get help from this. So let's start. So what is Mad Libs generator? Mad Libs generator, as I have told in the beginner project video, Mad Libs generator tells user a story. Like if being a programmer, we will program we will code such that the if the user inputs some of the inputs like noun, pronoun, or place name, something, so they'll in return get a story format or a story, short story. So let's create. So we'll create first the name. So let's keep it Mad Libs generator.py, because it's a Python program. So let's start writing the code. So let's tell this as this is the Mad Libs generator. So we'll comment out Mad Libs generator. So let's create a loop, like loop is equal to 1, so that loop back to this point once code finishes. So next let's write next code, which is like let's declare a while loop at loop is less than 10. Okay, and we will declare all the questions. We will write all the questions over here. So let me comment out all the questions. So let's comment this. So this will be all the questions which the programmer will ask to the user. Okay, so now let's declare a variable named noun, so that the user, we can take input as choose a noun, let's give there a space so the presentation after the code executes are nice. So now let's declare a plural noun or pronoun, noun input, and take a input of like choose a plural noun. Okay, and space over here. Now let's take second noun. You can take as many inputs as you want, but make sure you create the story, so every variable is used over there. So let's keep it noun 2, noun. So I am writing this code as I have a story ready in my mind, or I have written the story somewhere in the book, and I'll be requiring some of the inputs from the user so that directly it can be fitted there. And if you want to generate Mad Libs generator, you should also have a story which is ready. Like after coding, you should not be like what should be the story. So just finish the story first, and then just underline the words which you want to take as input, and then write codes. So I know I will be requiring noun, pronoun, noun 2, noun 3. I will be requiring some of the nouns, adjective, and some of these. So let's now go for place. So place is equal to input, name a place. Now let's go for an adjective. So we have declared noun 3. Now all these were like input we all wanted. So now these all are inputs, and we will code now for story. Print. Let's create some type of pattern over here so that our code remains, after execution our code remains nice and good, feels good. So now let's create the first sentence of our story. So print. So guys, I have simply written the whole story with variables like here to use noun, and here pronoun, and here noun too, and then pronoun again, and then place. So be kind to your pronoun in place, so whatever place you give as the input. And so here adjective, here noun, and you must be thinking why this. So this is after the execution, there should be some space left so that we can clearly read. Okay, so you might think this is the noun 3. Okay, well, it is. So here my story ends. So after my story ends, I'll print once again. I'll print the pattern once again. So we'll use loop back to loop is equal to 1. Loop is equal to loop plus 1. Okay, so let's save this, and here the story is ready. Let's run this. Okay, so choose a noun. So you can see I have missed a space over here. Choose a noun. Okay, over here I have missed a space. So now let's run again. Okay, now it's clear. Choose a noun. So let's choose John. Plural noun. Choose a noun again. Sunny. Choose a place. Choose an adjective. Describing word. So let's choose a describing word as cheerful. Choose a noun again. So now let's use a noun like joy. So here we have the story ready. Like, be kind to your John footed man. For a duck, maybe somebody's sunny. Be kind to your man in beach, where weather is always cheerful. You may think that. So this space is for this. We have taken a print statement with nothing inside it, so it gives space. And the last sentence is, you may think that this is the joy. Well, it is. So our story is ready. So this was the output of the code. So guys, thank you for watching the video. This was the output, and I hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned something. If you have learned something, press the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel to learn more.